In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an income statement in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner tracking your company's financial health or an accountant managing multiple client accounts, understanding how to generate this key report is essential. QuickBooks Online makes it simple to pull up an income statement, also known as a profit and loss report, to review your revenue and expenses over a specific period. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. First, open your QuickBooks Online company. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand navigation panel. This is where you'll find most of the tools and sections you'll use regularly in QuickBooks. Next, locate the option labeled Reports. If the menu on the left side happens to be collapsed, simply hover over it to expand the options. Make sure you can clearly see and click on Reports. Once you're in the Reports Center, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. For this tutorial, you'll want to click on the Standard tab. This is where you'll find a variety of pre-designed reports that QuickBooks has organized for you. From here, scroll down to the section labeled Business Overview. This is where you'll find reports designed to give you a clear snapshot of your company's financial performance. Now, within the Business Overview section, look for the Profit and Loss Report options. QuickBooks offers several versions of this report to help you analyze your data in different ways. Depending on your needs, you can choose a basic profit and loss report or opt for more detailed versions such as by month, by customer, by location, or by class. Select the version that aligns best with the specific insights you're looking for. Once you've chosen the report that fits your needs, click on it. QuickBooks will now begin running and loading the report based on your company's data. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your data set, so be patient while it processes. When the report appears on your screen, take a moment to review it. At the top of the report, you'll see options to adjust the date range and accounting method. These settings are crucial for ensuring the report reflects the exact time period and financial method you need. You can choose between cash or accrual accounting, depending on how your business tracks revenue and expenses. If you find that the layout or information in the report doesn't meet your needs, don't worry. You can always return to the Business Overview section and select a different version of the Profit and Loss Report. QuickBooks allows you to experiment with different layouts until you find the one that works best for your analysis. Finally, take a closer look at the data in your report. Analyze the totals and ensure they align with your expectations. Pay attention to transaction dates and account classifications to confirm everything has been recorded accurately. If something seems off, you may need to investigate further or adjust your entries within QuickBooks. And that's all there is to it. Running an income statement in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that can provide valuable insights into your business's financial performance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.